Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the rubber band hairstyle you saw on my intro. Please enjoy. I'm going to use this styling wax I got from Clicks. Baby girl, for this hairstyle you are going to need rubber bands. I got mine from a beauty supply store. My darling, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe. No one is going to take your airtime whatsoever. It is free, my baby. Please subscribe. Always be kind to your hair. Don't pull your hair too much, baby girl. Please do not. Do not. Okay? The reason I'm twisting my hair is because I want it to look neat and polished. Please feel free to let me know if there's any hairstyle that you would like to see on this channel. Please let me know, honey. Let me know, sweetie. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, boo boo. The reason I'm moving side to side with the hairstyle is because I did not have any plan about the pattern. I did not know how I want it to look like. I'm just creating. So I'll advise you have a plan before you start creating your hairstyle. I'm going to connect them together and make crisscross. So please watch and see. Baby girl, this hairstyle is very easy. Anyone can do this hairstyle. Please give it a try and let me know if you are going to try it or you have tried it. Let me know, honey. I'm using water to spray on my hair because I want it a little bit damp, and again so that it can lay nicely I'm going to use a styling gel to slick down my hair. If you have watched up to this far, thank you so much for your love and support. May God bless you. I'm going to let it dry and I'll be back after. So now my hair is dry. I'm going to use the haircut braiding hair. It's about 20 rand. I also have my accessories. Yeah, so I'm going to accessorize after. Accessorizing is optional. You can do it if you like it, and if you don't like it, you can keep it like that. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you on my next video. I love you so much. Bye sweetie. Bye.